Friends, welcome to SNIAS Academy. Now this video is called Current Affairs Simplified, and I will be explaining to you the current affairs in a very simple manner, okay, in a very easy manner, so that you will be able to answer the questions in your exams in a very easy way. And this video is actually part 3 video. Now in this part 3 video, we are going to see about a topic, a very important topic called Corona names. Now this is an important topic for your exams because nowadays Corona is a very famous current affairs article. Whether you take the newspaper or whether you take the magazine or whether you see the media channels or the news channels, wherever you go, you will get a lot of news regarding Corona. Okay, so it is an important topic for your exam, so you need to know the basics, the advanced stuff about Corona. Now why do you need to know about the names? Because they will ask you to expand the terms, and they will ask you like why such names were given to Corona. Okay, this is very important because people keep on asking you why Corona name was given, why they gave the name COVID. Okay, and in your exams you will get expand the name and give full form type of questions will be asked in your exams. Even in match the following also they will ask you these names. Okay, so friends, I want you all to pause the video over here, okay, and next is answer to the below question in the comment section. Now the question is, how many of you know the meaning, okay, or the full form of the following terms? Okay, COVID-19, SARS and R0. So please type the answer in the comment section. So basically I want this video to be an interactive session. If it is an interactive session, then only you will be able to learn properly for your exams and you'll be able to crack the exams in top ranks. So first, COVID-19. You would have heard about the term COVID-19, but do you know it is actually a full form? So what is that full form? So remember, CO in COVID stands for Corona, and the VI in COVID-19 actually stands for virus. And next is COVID-D. Okay, remember the D stands for disease. I'm sure that 50% of the aspirants do not know this particular term COVID-19. Okay, they do not know the full form of COVID-19. Okay, so please remember this. This is a very basic question in your exams and you cannot afford to go wrong in these basic questions. They will ask you tough questions in Corona. But if it is a tough question, it will be tough for almost all the candidates. But these are basic questions. You cannot afford to lose marks in these basic questions. Now in COVID, as I told you, in COVID-19, 19 refers to the year in which the first case was detected. This is very important, 2019. Many people think that the 19 is a scientific number. It is not a scientific number. It is actually the year in which the first case was detected. Now the next question they will ask you is, which date they announced this particular name called COVID-19? It is February 11, 2020. Please remember this, 2020. Many people will think because the number 19 is over here, it is 2019. But remember, they announced this name in 2020 itself. So this is where the candidates will get confused. Okay, so which date they announced this name? February 11, 2020. Okay, and the first case was detected in 2019. Now who gave this name COVID? This is also very important, and the answer to this question is in the question itself. Who is WHO? Okay, so this is also very important. If you have seen my first video, I would have told you like which organization gives the name for the virus, which organization gives the name for new diseases. Okay, so if you want to refresh yourself, please go see the first video in this channel. Okay, I would have explained to you like which are the following organizations which actually give all these kind of names, okay, because that is also very important. Because nowadays people give a term called Chinese virus, some say it is an American virus. So to abolish all those kind of names with all these countries being preferred, all these organizations give a scientific name. Now next is SARS-CoV-2. Now, as I told you in the first video itself, the full form of SARS is Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome. Now there is something called COVID-2, which is called coronavirus 2. Now, why did they use this particular word 2? This is very important. Okay, remember, why did they use this particular number 2? Okay, the answer is your homework. You'll have to find out and you'll have to tell me, and you'll have to type the answer in the comment section. Now the next is, who kept this particular name called SARS-CoV-2? So okay, this is actually a homework, and if you want to find the answer, please go see the first video in my YouTube channel. You'll be able to answer this particular question after seeing that first video. Now the next thing is the R0 or the RO or the R0. Now many people do not know what is this. If you have seen the media channels or the news channels, they say it is R0, it is RO. Remember, it is not R0 or RO. It is pronounced as R0. Now I'm sure that many candidates do not know this, okay? So please be very careful. This is called R0, and this is what they will ask you in your exams. It is called R0. Now what is this R0? Remember, this R0 is a basic reproduction number. Okay, it is very simple. Remember, number of new cases caused by one case. Okay, one person is there, one coronavirus positive person is there. Okay, he goes and infects it to a particular number of persons. Now this is what is called R0. So if R0 is 2, that means one case can create 2 new cases. Okay, if R0 is 3, one case can create 3 new cases. Okay, so this is what is called R0. Okay, if you have seen the media or even a few newspapers or channels, they will say this as R0. It is not R0. Please remember this, because this will be a sure shot question in your exams, because this is a basic question. It is actually called R0. Now why this R0 is important? Okay, remember, it is a 2-letter word only, R0, but you'll be if you go into detail about R0, you can write an essay about it. There is so much stuff about R0. Okay, later on in my channel I will talk in detail about this R0. So why R0 is important? First, with this R0 you will be able to say, will the epidemic come or not? Okay, so if you are in one country, you are an IAS officer, or you are the chief secretary or the health secretary. Now someone is asking you, will an epidemic come or not? What will be your answer? Then you will have to refer to the R0. Then the next question is size of the epidemic. If it comes, what will be the size? So you can refer the R0. And the growth rate of the epidemic, how fast it will go, whether it will go slowly or whether it will go fast and stop and then come slowly. So this is called the growth rate of the epidemic. And the final point is the level of effort to control the epidemic. So with this R0, people will calculate, okay, all the policy makers will calculate what is the effort, how many people should be in, what all infrastructure should I need, what are the medicines, how can I control this epidemic. All these questions can be answered by this simple R0. So R0 is an important topic for any competitive exam. So try to revise it daily, because there are so many points regarding R0. So friends, if you like my video, please click like and share this video over Facebook and WhatsApp and Telegram channel, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. And thank you and all the best for your exams.